Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 old versus new. We'll explore how the vehicle has evolved, focusing on what makes each generation unique. We'll look at the design philosophy, technological advancements, and overall driving experience. This comparison will help you understand the strengths of both the classic and contemporary XC90 models. When it comes to performance, older XC90s typically featured naturally aspirated engines, offering solid, reliable power. The newer generation, however, embraces smaller, more efficient turbocharged engines, often paired with electric motors in hybrid configurations. This shift provides impressive fuel economy, sometimes achieving over 30 miles per gallon, alongside strong acceleration. You'll find a noticeable difference in driving dynamics. Stepping inside, the older XC90 offered a functional and spacious cabin, built for family utility. The newer models elevate this with a luxurious, minimalist design, featuring high-quality materials and a prominent 9-inch Sensus infotainment touchscreen. Technology has advanced significantly, with features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist becoming standard, enhancing both comfort and convenience for drivers and passengers alike. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in both generations, with both earning top safety scores. However, newer XC90s integrate advanced active safety systems, such as automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, offering an even higher level of protection. While a new XC90 might start around $55,000, older models present a compelling value proposition on the used market, often available for under $20,000, making them accessible to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.